guys, it's Marvin again, back with another Bigcommerce tutorial. So in the first video, we talked about how to implement the Reamaze shoutbox embed onto your Bigcommerce storefront. And we've been getting questions about how to implement actually a basic contact form that's powered by Reamaze. And it replaces whatever contact form that came with your Bigcommerce account. Now the advantages there is that if you use the Reamaze embedded contact form, you'll be able to actually collect all the customer information, the customer data, and the conversation itself in the same ecosystem. So to get started, we actually have our Reamaze account open right now and our demo Bigcommerce account. So the first thing you want to do is actually go ahead and build the contact form that you like. And to do that, we're going to use the embed builder. So go to settings, and under website integration, we're going to click on embed builder. Okay, and then you want a contact form and you want it loaded as embedded in my web page. So click that option. Make sure you select the right brand. Now keep in mind that you can actually customize all this text, like contact us directly, the name, email. You can change all of that in your brand settings under text customization. And we have a separate video tutorial for that if you need to refresh your memory. So go ahead and click on next. And here's where you can actually get to customize the form a little bit. Right now, by default, it collects the name, email, subject, and the message content. Let's say we want to add another text field here and collects the order ID. So we're going to force customers to enter that because we need that in order to help them. So that's something you can put in. You can add another field, maybe a drop-down field like which department you're trying to reach. We'll do who are you trying to reach. Okay, we're going to do shipping, maybe sales, maybe support. Okay, so if you're happy with that, that looks good. Let's go ahead and click on next. Here you can actually hide the subject field. So if you don't want your customers to enter something here, go ahead and click hide. That's perfectly okay. And you can actually force them to force the contact form to send it to a specific channel. So let's say we want to force the contact form to go to development. That has no connection in terms of who they're trying to reach. This is just a data field that you're collecting. Okay, so if you're happy with that, click next. Now we're going to need both of these scripts. So go ahead and copy this first one here. We're going to do that one first. And now we're going to go to your Bigcommerce account. Go to storefront design. And if you remember in our first tutorial video, in terms of how to customize the HTML and CSS of your Bigcommerce template, you actually need to make a copy of the current theme that you're using. This is just so you don't mess up the HTML and there's no way to go back. So that would be bad. So go ahead and click on under current theme. You're going to go click on theme details. And we're going to go to theme options and make a copy. You notice that if you don't make a copy, you can't actually access the theme file editing feature. So make a copy. We'll call that copy. Save. All right, now we're going to go to my themes. Let's wait for this to process. As soon as it's done processing, we'll be able to actually click on it and use the theme editor. So that's done. Go ahead and click on that. And under theme options, we're going to go to edit theme files. Okay, so once that loads, depending on the template that you're using or the theme that you're using, there's a contact form that's built into all of these themes. Now, wherever you show that contact form, it will depend on how that template is set up, and also kind of depends on your own preferences. Now, under templates, let's go to pages. Okay, you'll see that there's one here called Contact Us. Okay, now this field here is referencing the Contact Us form, the default Contact Us form that's powered by Bigcommerce. So it's under something called Components, Page, and Contact Us form. So we're going to go back up. We're going to actually start from here again. So go to Templates. Okay, we're going to go to Components, just like this says, Components. We're going to go to Page. Okay, and then here it is, Contact Us form. So click on that. So this is the actual form. And if you don't want to use this and you want to replace it with Reamaze, that's perfectly fine. Just select all, delete that. Okay, now remember we copied the script here. Let's go ahead and, sorry about that, my phone's going off. So paste the script, okay? That's the first thing you need to do. And then the second thing you want is the div. Okay, so copy the div and paste that right underneath. Okay, let's save the file. Okay, click close. Let's do a preview. Now it's not going to load the form directly, and you'll remember that the form actually lives on a page called Contact Us. So go to Contact Us, okay, and give it a second to load, and there's the Reamaze form. So that's all very straightforward. There's actually another way to do this. If you don't want to, in the theme editor, let's go ahead and close the preview. In the theme editor, if you don't want to actually get rid of the Bigcommerce form, in case you want to use it in the future, that's okay as well. In that case, just go to templates, okay, and you would go to pages, go to the Contact Us HTML, and instead of changing the form and then having this pull the correct form, you can actually just get rid of this, okay, and then paste the div there, and that will actually also get you the Reamaze powered contact form. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. That'll get you the Reamaze powered contact form, where you can add custom fields and do a bunch of fancy stuff. Okay, if you have any questions, just let us know at support@reamaze.com. Thanks.